Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now.
We SkyRide. SkyRide by ourselves right now. SkyRide. My first time on this ride, which is already stopped. The one I've barely been gone up. Okay, it's back to moving. We're SkyRiding. That's what do I do stage. All the shops. Yeah, I like the shops. This is one of the things that makes me keep going back to CNE. This looks like nude Thai massage. This is a live Thai massage. I wonder if the name is provocative was ginger ale. Giant ass Ferris wheel.
While you're here, all the last day, $170,000 just like tomorrow.
50-50. Should I do 50-50? 50-50. Oh yeah. I bet it's kind of cool if you're up here and this game or something is going on over here. It's probably a lot more fun than just the empty seats. But it's probably loud. Fried cheese curds. We got a chocolate berry. Fresh mini pancakes. Oh yeah. That guy's sitting on the edge. Like, I like being in the center. I would feel very uncomfortable if I was sitting on one edge and the thing is just kind of like leaning to one side. Like, you didn't like that guy right there. Like, why would you go to one side? All you're doing is adding weight. Don't you want to have a balanced weight? But I feel like I'm doing, but who knows, maybe I'm doing the same shit. Oh yeah. Skyline, whatever the hell they call this. Actually, I'm here for the Enercare Center, which is right over there, so it's just kind of taking me there. And it's a nice little different method of transportation. Yeah. Like, you get soaked in that ride. Like, why would you want to get soaked in that ride? Like, that doesn't appeal to me at all. Especially since some of these times have been cold or rain. I wonder if people take this thing when it's raining, and then it's like raining and they get mad at the ride because they got soaked, rather than the fact that it's raining and they decided to go on a water ride while it's raining. Potato chips. The problem with a lot of this stuff is it looks good in pistachio coconut ice cream. Whipped lemonade drink. What's that? Whipped cream lemonade? What is a whipped lemonade drink? Why does it stop? Did it stop because someone doesn't understand the concept of, okay, sit now. And they have to let it, well, you know what? Maybe they're going through something. Maybe they have a disability. I'm just being insensitive because I'm on this ride. And it stopped while I was on the ride. Dirty sodas. Dirty candy apples. See, you know what the problem with that stuff is? It just tastes like sugar. It gets to a point where it's just sugar taste. It's like one of those donut burgers. Never really understood the appeal. I'm sure if I had one, I'd probably be like, okay, I understand it now. Maybe I don't want to understand it. I don't want to get any more of that in my life. I loved it too much. Oh, this is where like the people stay? I bet you some people live here. They come here out of town, come for the end of the summer, 2 weeks, live in this thing. Aside from this ride, I don't know what the hell else I'd take. Ferris wheel doesn't really appeal to me. But they are individually air conditioned cars. Oh, another one. How does this work? I said, stop the ride, stop the ride. Stop the ride. Is someone gonna get on? You know, it actually does look kind of cool. There's the crane dinner thing. There's station. Oh, it's over there. We're gonna pass it. Yeah, that's like it's like cold. Like, oh, this is cool. I paid so much money to be fucking freezing cold up here. Yeah, here, eat, here, wipe your. Oh, sorry, the napkin flew. Like classic Italian style pizza. See, you know what I hate about that? It's not. Like, if you look at those images, you can't really see it from here. Classic Italian. Classic Italian, like, does not look like... That looks like a classic American. Where Americans recreated pizza. That's not the classic Italian. Super slush lab. Oh, God. This is like a dream for non-diabetics. Over there. What do I have to say? This probably looks cool at night. It feels really weird when you're actually going over the actual support beam. When the car's going over, I guess. So you can hear it. Hey, light charge right there. You know, morning's the time to come because there is very few people here. It sucks when you come here and there's a lot of people. The only reason I'm on this fucking thing is because there's very few people. If I had to wait in a huge lineup, I would not. I would walk away. I will have no problem admitting that I would walk away if I had to wait in this gigantic lineup to go on. Look at that. I hate the name. It's just the name classic Italian style pizza, but it's just like it's not classic Italian style at all. The fry guy. This guy just had a fucking deep fryer and was like, put it in! Yeah! Yeah! Ah, look at those land shark. Oh man, what happens to those umbrellas? Share the wealth. Give those umbrellas to other people. Support other people with those umbrellas. Oh hell yeah, land shark. Black hole experience. That's what people want. I want to know what it feels like to be in an abyss. Yeah? Take some ketamine, you'll probably figure it out. Oh yeah. Oh look, someone lost their shooter. You know, I'm sure that happens a lot. It kind of sucks. Don't want to walk under this fucking thing. People drop shit all the time. Like, look at this. Oh jeez. You know, these look deliberate actually. That looks deliberate. That looks like, hey, nobody will know. Nobody will know. Screamers haunted house. This shit is all overused. Korean dogs, I had that last time. A very weird setup because it's like the meat's at the bottom and the cheese at the top. I don't even know if it was cheese, so when I'm eating it, I'm like, did I order the wrong thing? Whatever, I'm just gonna keep eating it. That's how I am. I don't want to make a scene. Oh, we're starting to head downwards. Yeah, that's the dinner in the sky. I'd eat there. I'm like, fuck yeah. Your napkins start fucking flying away. Oh, here. Oh, shit, sorry. The wind took your food away. I guess we didn't really think about this fucking in the sky concept. Like right now, I'm floating. I'm afraid to lose my shoes. And then you got flip-flop over here in front of me. Just fucking move your hand, like feet around with no worry. A little lifty lift. No worry at all.
On your left. Exit now.
That's right.
Keep riding. Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. Keep riding. Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest.
Okay. Thank you.